Kutchi Dabeli. Dabeli is simple yet very tasty. This sweet and savory snack originated in the Kutch region of Gujarat and made its way into our hearts. Let's take a look at the ingredients. For the Dabeli masala, we need 1 dried red chilli, ½ stick of cinnamon, 2 to 3 cloves, ½ teaspoon cumin seeds, a pinch of asafoetida. For the red garlic chutney, 1 to 2 Kashmiri red chilies, ½ cup garlic, ½ tablespoon lemon juice, salt to taste. For the potato filling, 3 medium-sized potatoes, 1 small onion, 2 teaspoon Dabeli masala, a pinch of asafoetida, ½ teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons tamarind and dates chutney, ½ coconut, 1/4 cup pomegranate seeds, 1/4 cup coriander leaves, 2 tablespoon oil, 2 tablespoon water, salt to taste. For serving, 4 to 5 buns, ½ cup roasted peanuts, ½ cup nylon save, ½ cup pomegranate seeds, sweet tamarind dates chutney as required, 1 teaspoon butter. For pre-processing, let's soak the Kashmiri red chilies in warm water for about 30 to 40 minutes and set aside. For pre-preparation, finely chop the onions, coriander leaves and garlic. Now, grate the coconut. Cook the potatoes in boiling water in a saucepan until tender. Peel and mash the potatoes in a bowl and keep aside. For preparing the red garlic chutney, add the soaked red chilies, garlic, salt and lemon juice to a blender. Grind them to a smooth paste and keep aside. For Dabeli masala powder, heat a pan and dry roast a red chili, cloves, cinnamon, cumin seeds, asafoetida till you can smell a pleasant aroma. Grind all the ingredients to a fine powder and keep aside. Let's get cooking. Heat oil in a pan. Add cumin seeds, then add chopped onion and fry them till they become soft. Add asafoetida and fry for a minute on a low flame. Now add sweet tamarind dates chutney to the onions and mix well. Add mashed potatoes and mix it again. Finally, add the Dabeli masala powder and salt and let it cook on a medium flame for another 2 to 3 minutes while stirring continuously. When done, spread the potato filling on a plate. Sprinkle some grated coconut on the potato filling. Add some pomegranate seeds. Now top it with chopped coriander leaves. For serving the Dabeli, apply the red garlic chutney on one slice of the bun and the sweet chutney on the other side. Take some potato filling and put it on the lower slice of the bun and keep aside. On a hot griddle, melt some butter and lightly roast the buns in butter on both sides. When done, using a spatula, put the buns on a plate and keep aside. Top up the potato filling inside the bun with some roasted peanuts and then dip the stuffed buns in nylon save. Prepare the remaining Dabeli buns in the same way and serve this yummy snack warm. Click a picture and share it on our Facebook page www.facebook.com/vcookveg. We would love to get your feedback at info@vcookveg.com.